unbelievable. Can you see what is going on here? Some group of young men volunteered themselves, print a very big banner to place it here in one of the major cities, and in the description written, "No more Fulani Herdsmen in Biafra land. No more open grazing bill." As you can see, that is what is causing this hold up here in this wonderful place. I just want you to wait patiently and see what is going on here. I just want you to wait patiently and see what is going on here. These ones are formidable. On their own, they contributed money and raised up Anna. They raised up Anna. These are free association readers. Here, they always gather at this paper stand to look at the current news and what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said. And I know they heard him when he said, "No more grazing land, no more Fulanis in Biafra land," and they went ahead, used their money to put up this banner. This is where they congregate to go through newspapers and to do the needful. That is exactly what they are doing today. I just want you to be patient with them. They are going to raise up this banner. So the banner has been lifted up. The banner has been lifted up. The banner has been lifted up. We are calling on EU, US, some other country to know that open grazing is against even the law that's not in Nigeria. The direction has been set, the pace has been set by the Supreme Leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. No more cattle, no more cattle rail. Walking all the street. We are the true citizens of the land. Can you see that? That's exactly what is going on here today. This work is put together by Free Readers Association here in one of the biggest cities in Biafran land. They want to do this to support the gospel of restoration of the sovereign nation of Biafra. That is exactly what is going on here today. That is exactly what is going on here today. Keep sharing this video and let others emulate from this free gesture. This kind gesture, that they all that and spend money to promote the voice and the words of our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Interview. what motivated you people to do what you are doing today? Please.
Abun da yake a Najeriya suna kiwo shanu da tinkiya a tsohon suna gwa suna hama saboda haka muka tara yau muna so mu gaya duniya mutanen duniya cewa nan bangaren Biafra an riga an kafa doka kowar watan fagura ɗin yana ranar 13 ba ma so dinga gani babura ta ne da shanunsu suna yau a gari ko kuma daji ba ma so mu gansu shi ya muke danna wannan kasa saboda haka muna sanar da yan duniya kare kowa mun goyi bayan Mazi Nnamdi Kanu akan shirkiyan da yayi muna shine nake so sanar ma.
Yeah, a lot of people are wondering, so we can see a lot of crowd looking at this billboard. What is behind this billboard here?
And then si ya chọrọ ya ha n'obodo no Nigeria kwụsị na 1969 ha na ọkpala ọha ma mere na ekwesị iji na-akarịsị ma ọfịa nọ Nigeria mana rapụrụ ihe bịa natazi ihe niile ndụba anyị kọrọ ndụ nwunye anyị kọrọ anyị onwe anyị kọrọ anyị na onwe anyị achọghị ya ihe anyị ebe akịta ya afụ youth anyị na-edebe a na anyị si ndụ Fulani ha na ebe asị ya ndụ Fulani na anyị achọghị ha anyị taala afụ lọch anyị achọghị ha ha na wasị ha anyị sisi ha ha bido ha nara anyị.
Thank you very much. We want to hear from some other people corresponding to exactly what is going on here today. Well done, sir. You're welcome. I was just passing and I find that the crowd was so much. And I noticed inscriptions on the banner that you just placed here. What is the purpose of this?
Yeah, my name is Ike Uwezoke. And what we are doing here today with the crowd is saying it is real. And today we have decided we don't want to see any longer Fulani in Biafra land. We, the indigenous of Biafra land, want to say, and with the leading function on the order of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are standing here today to say every single Fulani to leave Biafra land now or forever. Every of our crop have been destroyed. They have been raping our women, killing our children, putting them on mayhem. Some are homeless now. We say today they must leave or do this involved.
Thank you very much. You speak positively. As you look around, you can still see people still queuing up wonderfully. And I have this young man with me here with this description in his hand. If you cannot see the totality of the banner up there, you can see this. This is exactly what they have up there. And you can see the crowd that came to grace this wonderful occasion of placing a very strong banner in order to bring down the kind of killings that is going on in Biafra land. Thank you for being with us. What is your name and what do you have to say?
My brother is Ile Abuchi Chukwu Okadigo. I'm very happy because we have seen a leader. I'm very much happy because I don't know what our situation will be by now.